When it comes to the design and construction of buildings, two key professionals play a crucial role: architects and structural engineers. While their roles may seem similar at first glance, there are distinct differences between the two. This video tackles into the responsibilities, expertise, and collaboration between architects and structural engineers, highlighting the importance of the complementary skills in creating safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing structures. To better appreciate the nuances of their roles, let's look into the specific responsibilities of architects and structural engineers. But before proceeding further, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest posts. Architects. Architects are primarily concerned with the overall design and aesthetics of a building. They focus on creating spaces that meet the functional and visual needs of the occupants while harmonizing with the surrounding environment. Architects possess a deep understanding of architectural principles, building codes, and regulations. They work closely with clients to understand their requirements, preferences, and budgetary constraints. Architects are responsible for developing the initial concept and design of a building. They consider factors such as space planning, circulation, lighting, ventilation, and acoustics. Architects also incorporate elements of sustainability and energy efficiency into their designs. They create detailed drawings, 3D models, and renderings to communicate their ideas to clients, contractors, and other stakeholders. Moreover, architects play a crucial role in ensuring that a building meets the needs of its inhabitants. Whether designing a residential home, a commercial complex, or a cultural landmark, architects aim to create spaces that foster human interaction, well-being, and harmony. The architect's work description can be summed up into 1. Develop the overall design concept, including the layout, aesthetics, and spatial arrangement. 2. Consider the cultural, historical, and contextual aspects that influence the design. 3. Create detailed drawings, plans, and specifications that convey the design intent to stakeholders and construction teams. 4. Collaborate with clients, interior designers, and other professionals to ensure the design aligns with the project's goals. 5. Emphasize user experience, incorporating elements that cater to the occupant's needs and emotions. Structural engineers. While architects focus on the artistic and functional aspects of design, structural engineers contribute the vital engineering expertise required to ensure a building's stability, safety, and durability. Their roles revolve around translating the architect's creative vision into a feasible and structurally sound reality. Structural engineers are responsible for analyzing the loads and forces that a building will experience over its lifespan. They design the structural framework, including beams, columns, foundations, and support systems, to withstand these forces and maintain the building's integrity. By using advanced mathematical calculations and structural softwares, they determine the optimal materials and dimensions needed to prevent structural failure and deformation. Their expertise is in calculating load distribution, designing structural systems, and selecting appropriate materials. These decisions are crucial in ensuring the safety, durability, and longevity of the structure. In addition to safety and stability, structural engineers consider factors like seismic activity, wind resistance, and environmental impact. They collaborate with architects to integrate these technical requirements seamlessly into the design, often proposing innovative solutions that balance engineering principles with aesthetic goals. Their work is like an invisible hand, providing the necessary support that allows architects' visions to become reality. The structural engineer's job description can be summed up into 1. Analyzing the architectural design to determine the loading requirements and potential stress points that may affect the overall design of the building. 2. Propose and design the structural framework and systems that support the building's weight and resist gravity and lateral forces to make sure that the project is structurally feasible. 3. Select appropriate materials, considering factors like strength, durability, and environmental impact. 4. Collaborate with architects to integrate structural elements seamlessly into the design without compromising aesthetics. Conduct 3D model analysis with the help of different structural softwares and tests to ensure the structure's safety and stability under various conditions. The collaboration. The saying, "No man is an island," exactly applies on the partnership between architects and structural engineers. The architects cannot live without the structural engineers and vice versa. The collaboration between architects and structural engineers is pivotal in achieving design excellence and constructing remarkable buildings that stand the test of time. This partnership brings together the imaginative design concepts of architects and the technical precision of structural engineers, resulting in a holistic approach to creating extraordinary structures. Effective communication between architects and structural engineers is fundamental. Regular discussions and brainstorming sessions allow both parties to align their visions and strategies. Architects gain insights into the engineering constraints and possibilities, while structural engineers understand the architectural intent behind their calculations. Together, they transform abstract visions into tangible realities that shape the way we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. Their collaboration, while rooted in their distinct areas of expertise, transcends boundaries to create structures that leave lasting impressions on society and stand as timeless symbols of human achievement. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.